Hi, my name is Vladimir, and in this tutorial I will show you how to fix the Apple TV to remember the AirPlay speaker selection. The end result is your Apple TV will now remember the AirPlay speaker, and you won't need to select it every time you wake the Apple TV from standby. To begin, on your Apple TV, go to Settings, scroll down and press on Network, press on the current connection, press on Configure IP and choose Manual. On the following prompts, simply press on Done, and the Apple TV will use the settings already assigned by the router. If you want to use advanced settings, you can also assign a custom IP here. Once setting up the connection is done, go back to the home screen. Here you can press and hold the play button on the Siri remote and choose again your AirPlay speaker as an output source. That's it! Your AirPlay speaker will no longer disconnect every time you put the Apple TV on standby. I hope you find this tutorial useful. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and thank you for watching.